Today we're unboxing the Htk-80 Thermostatic Steam Trap. This model stands out with its long-lasting structure and easy maintenance, ensuring reliable operation under high temperatures and variable loads. Forged steel body for maximum durability. Technical label with key product specifications. Internal Hastelloy capsule ensures stable operation under high pressure and temperature. Includes a washable stainless steel wire filter for effective filtration. Moisture absorber for safe long-distance shipping. Ask us about special offers for complete sets including mechanical, thermodynamic and thermostatic steam traps.